Welcome back. Confidence in his self, will to do something great and ambitious, Adil Dangi from Kukolim has set yet another example. He cracked the IIT JEE facing all odds. He aims for IIT now, but lacks funds. It is said when there is a will, there is a way. Fomento Scholars has come up forward to fulfill Adil's dream. They will support Adil's future studies.
ल्हान आसतनाच्यान हांव पांचवीपर्यंत थंय शिकलो, मागीर 6वी ते 10वी म्हजें नवोदय शिक्षण फ्री जालें आनी मागीर दक्षिणा गेलो. IITची कोचिंग अशी खूब पयशे लागतात, पूण देवादयान म्हाका तेय बी मेळ्ळे आनी हांवें IITयात क्वॉलिफाय केलां. म्हाका फायनान्शियल खूब क्रायसीस आसा. सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार तें बरोबर आसा, म्हजी आवय बापायची इनकम तितली ना, पूण म्हाका फॅमिली सपोर्ट खूब आसा. लोक मिसगायड जाले ही न्यूज आयलो म्हणून, ताका लागून हांव लोकां कडेन मागणी करून म्हाका बरो सपोर्ट आयला.
Adil's mother believes her son has a strong will.
हांवें तागेलें ल्हानपणासान पारखेल्ली तागेली हुशारकी आनी त्या प्रमाणे ताका गायडन्स दीत गेलें हांव, म्हणून तागेलें इतली यश तो घेवपाक शकलो. आनी ताजेर तो चिकाटी आसा आनी ताची जिद्द जर आसा तो करून दाखोवपीच, इतली म्हाका तागे शुअर आसा. हांव ताची खूब एप्रिशिएट करता प्रत्येक कडेन आनी म्हाका ताणें आतां उज्वल यश घेवन दाखयले बद्दल हांव सामकें आनंदीत आसा.
तागे त्या जिद्दीन तो आज इतल्या वयर पावलो, त्या खातीर हांव तागे आवयचें बी खूब मनापासून हें जाता की ताणें ताका इतलो वयर काडलो. पूण तो आमगे फॅमिली भितर तो आज इतलो वयर पावलो हें पळोवन आमगे फूल फॅमिलीक खूब आनंद जाला.
Fomento Scholars has announced sponsoring Adil further and complete educational wants.
Fomento Scholars तर्फे बरे जे टॅलेंटेड भुरगे आसात 12th सायन्स जाले नंतर तांकां इंजिनियरींग एज्युकेशन घेवपा जाय, तांकां मदत आर्थीक मदत दिल्ली वता. आतां आमचो भुरगो आदिल डांगी हाका एक JEE एडवान्स हातूंत भितर IIT एडमिशन घेवपा खातीर बरो रँक मेळ्ळो. ताका थोडी फायनान्शियल हेल्प जो जाय शिकपा खातीर आनी आतांच न्ही तर मुखार सुद्दां कितें शिकपा खातीर जो ताका फायनान्शियल हेल्प जाय तो फोमेंटो स्कॉलर्स तर्फे दिल्लो वतलो.
Savio Dice and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Maapsa People's Group and Aam Aadmi Party held demonstrations outside Maapsa Electricity Department today. Activists are protesting against the faulty electricity bills issued to the consumers. Power tariffs have been hiked, but the problems of irregular power supply continue.
इंजिनियराक दिल्लेले आसा. पहिले म्हणजे लायटीचो इश्यू घेतला आमी. वारंवार खंडीत वीज पुरवठा, लो वोल्टेज असे बरेचसे जे प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी जो वीज दरवाड जाल्लेली आसा ती त्या बद्दल आमी सामके खास तांकां सांगलेलें आहा की हे तुमी हाय ऑथॉरिटीक सांगचे आनी ही दरवाड जी आसा ती कमी करून घेवची म्हणून.
Increase in tariff and all, no? It is the policy of the government. It is not on my hand. Yeah, it is not on my hand.
But you are admitting such a service is not.
New building is handed over to GL, which is a Goa government company. And initially there were some issues because of the change of software, and there are some issues that we are going to rectify.
Margao activists have opposed the proposed 58 tenders of various developmental works issued by Margao municipality. The works are worth almost 3 crores. Activists allege that municipality is hushing up with the tendering process ahead of municipal elections with ulterior motives.
This entire process of 58 tenders which have been floated or been asked, there is no equality at all. Actually, when the funds are being distributed, it should be distributed equally to all the wards. There are certain particular wards where the amount has been exceeding 15 lakhs, but divided into 3 to avoid e-tendering. In some wards it is only 9 lakhs. In some wards it is only 10 lakhs. I asked why it is not been uniformly distributed. When I asked, he says it is my prerogative, which is totally wrong. Because all the wards are equally in Margao municipality. All the 20 wards should have been given equal amount, but here it is not that way. And most of these things they are saying reconstruction of drains. So my question is that why reconstruction? What is wrong with those drains? Have you all found out a report? Have you all got a report on this? Nothing is there. The resolution has been passed. We asked for a copy. Chief officer cannot give us a copy. Neither the chairperson can give us a copy of the resolution passed by the council, subsequently approved in the next best thing, and how did the DMA give an approval to it without a resolution? This is our question. This is our money, and we have got every right to question. Whereas the chairperson says we have no right to question.
There are 58 tenders which have been released, and each tender is not exceeding approximately 475 lakhs plus. Now, what we are wondering, and we suspect a rat in this, because the moment a tender crosses 5 lakhs, they have to do e-tendering. So hence they have kept every tender below 5 lakhs to avoid this process and somehow manipulate it so that they can give the tenders and get the contractors to do this work just before election. Because secondly is they want to do this before election so that they can make some kind of commissions from the contractors.
However, Margao chairperson has refuted the charges.
That approval is taken from the government only. Okay. That last time when the e-tender was done, that time nobody had quoted the tender also, some tenders. And that is the same tender. Sevarsani new tender nahi the, that's tender.
काही जागांनी काम नाका ते परत हे करता काही जाग्यार परत काम करून घेतला म्हणून हे केलं त्यांच्यानी.
Sorry?
काही जागांनी काम नाका परत हे केला म्हणून त्यांच्यानी म्हटलं एलिगेशन.
So ते सदां एक हें आसता, लिटल नॉलेज इज व्हेरी डेंजरस न्हू कळ्ळें न्ही. तें कितें हें टॅक्निकली आमगेलें टॅक्निकल म्हणटा तें डिपार्टमेंटूय सेपरेट आहा, सेक्शनूय सेपरेट. तें टॅक्निकलान वचून आमगेलें सगळें इन्स्पेक्शन करून येयला. थंय चेअरपर्सन आनी CO वचना तें इन्स्पेक्शन करून. टॅक्निकलाचें आमगे सगळें इंजिनियर वचून येयल्यार सगळें तें डुप्लिकेशन खंयचें तांकां ऑब्जर्वेशन मेळ्ळें. तीं कामां ताणें कॅन्सल करून 2-3 काम कॅन्सल केलें आनी ह्या कामां सगळीं आमी टेंडर केलें.
Savio dies for prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.